Dominican blowout. I just got my hair silk pressed. Yeah, inches, baby. Okay.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is K-Till and I am back with another video. If you are new here, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Okay? Okay. So in today's video, we are going to be working with Alipearl hair. I'm going to tell y'all everything, all the details on this hair, which I need to know about this hair before y'all purchase it. It is a V-part wig, and I might even do another video where I can show y'all 2 ways to style this wig, 2 or 3 ways, because I have a few hairstyles in mind. But so far this hair is giving like a cute little natural kind of aesthetic. It is a different kind of aesthetic. Super cute, super like natural. It's giving like Dominican blowout. Okay. The hair is super soft, as you can see. Like, I'm literally running my fingers through it, and there's no tangles. Like, yes, the hair is straight, but even sometimes with straight hair, if the hair quality is bad itself, that's gonna tangle and it's gonna shed. This hair does not shed, like, at all. There's nothing, no shedding, nothing. This hair is so strong and pretty. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, y'all about to watch this video so we can get into it. Okay. Alright, y'all, so here we are. We got the wig. It's ready to go. This is the hair after being washed and air dried. Now we are going to get ready to straighten the hair. I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like when it's air dried. And right here, I'm going to be using my bio silk oil. And I'm going to take a little bit of that and put it all over the hair. So after putting a good amount of that bio silk on that hair, I'm going to section it out and then use my Remington flat iron. I've been using this flat iron for like a good 3-4 years. This is like my favorite flat iron, especially when it comes to straightening out my wigs. I'm always going to use this flat iron on its highest setting. I believe it goes up to like 420. Use that on the highest setting if you have this flat iron. Either way, this hair did not burn, as y'all can see, and it's straightening out really good. I would not use this type of heat on my natural hair. I usually use around 320 on my natural hair. This was a good heat setting for this wig. Bringing up the fact that the hair is not burning is to show y'all that this hair does not have any of those plastic fibers in it or any synthetic fibers in it. So yeah, like, this hair is really, I guess it's really human hair. Some companies will send you hair, say it's human hair or virgin hair, and it'll have all these synthetic fibers, so when you straighten it, the hair will get straight, but it will still have those little burnt pieces in the hair strands. So here we are. The hair on the wig is all straightened out. Now I'm getting ready to braid down my own hair. I didn't wash my hair for like a good week before I braided my hair, but y'all know what they say, dirty hair grows. So I'm okay with, you know, leaving a little braid down or whatever. Besides me talking about my hair being dirty, I do want y'all to kind of pay attention to how I'm parting off the hair, because I will be braiding everything down besides my leave out. So that leave out right there, and then I have some edges coming out soon. As you can see, it's clipped off a little bit. And my camera was really messing with me this day. When I decided to braid down my hair, my camera was like not focusing. The camera lighting was like just turning in and out. I don't know how to explain it, but as you can see, I am using that Blue Magic Okay, that is the OG hair grease, the Blue Magic Indian Hemp Originals. Yeah, Originals. Now I'm only using that grease to moisturize my hair as I braid it down because I did not blow out my hair, so I don't have too much slip to work with. I was going through a whole bunch of knots and tangles. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Y'all gonna see the ending, and y'all gonna see it in like a darker film because my camera, like I said, was messing with me. So I'm sorry about that, but y'all kind of get it. And yes, darling, we will be using the Mielle Rosemary Mint hair oil. Y'all know the popular hair oil that everybody's raving about, that hopefully they do not change up on us. Okay, y'all started in the black community, y'all need to stay in the black community, period.
Turning up, oh, we wasting time. Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh, no.
So I started straightening my edges this day that I filmed this part of the video, but honestly it took me about a week before I actually filmed the rest of the video. And this is the wig the day of me filming the rest of the video. Now I just let it sit on my mannequin head and wore a different U-part wig or V-part wig that I had. But anyways, yeah. So this is the inside of the wig. Y'all can see the construction is really nice. It does have the 2 bands at the bottom as well as that clip right there, which I'm going to clip in the back. And you can see that it is about a week later because them braids is not looking as fresh as they was in the last clip. So I do want y'all to pay attention to how I'm clipping on this V-part wig. As you can see, I am clipping on those 2 clips on the side of the V-part wig to those anchor braids that I braided back. And now I'm going to clip on those side clips to the side of my head as well as the clip in the back. And you can see that that hair is like really flat already. I covered up so much and left out so little leave out. This is gonna like work so seamlessly. So here I'm just going to be straightening out my edges and the rest of that leave out, just so I can cover up those tracks at the top and where the clips are at. Now I'm going to use this She Is Balm wax stick on my edges. Of course I'm going to brush them out first. If you do not like wearing edges, you could definitely straighten out those edges real good and wear it exactly how I had it, but I like me some edges, okay? Like baby hair princess. This looks so good.
Sex, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear to change, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene.
Okay, so before we finish off this video, this is the 22-inch body wave V-part 180 density wig from Alipearl hair, and this is the result of the hair. This hair is so soft, it looks so natural. As U-part wigs, you have to leave out a lot of hair, but with V-part wigs, you really just only have to leave out just this much, literally this much. That's how that looks. Like, I literally have, like, this is where my leave out is, just this. So it's really covering everything that needs to be covered, and I have naturally thin hair, definitely super easy to make seamless. As far as washing the hair, when I washed the hair, very clean. It didn't have any type of substance coming out of it when I wet the hair. It did come in like a wavy pattern, so I know that it can hold a curl, but straightening it, it does get pin bone straight, like pin needle straight. Okay, a long time ago when I was first like really starting my YouTube channel, I used to order their curly hair, and their curly hair was like my favorite hair ever. Like, I used to order that constantly, back and forth, back, and their hair lasted me so long. Like, I remember having it for like almost 2 years doing sewing. The hair always lasted me almost like 2 years, and the curls on that hair was so nice. So Alipearl hair overall does have some really good hair, and I am excited to be working with them today in this video. This hair is just so amazing. I won't see myself doing anything with this hair like I've done with the other hair, as far as like cutting it or doing anything like that. This is just gonna be, you know, my little Dominican blowout or my silk press hair. It's giving like I might have a perm, but my hair is naturally thin, like I said. It's just giving, it's giving, yeah, this is mine. Can y'all see my leave out anywhere? Can you see can you see, can y'all see where my hair stops and where the wig starts? Y'all can't really see it, right? It matches my hair texture once it's straightened. I know that they do have some kinkier textures, so it could look like you do have a natural blowout. All of that, it literally took about 15 minutes. As far as time wise, if you have somewhere to go, girl, all right, I got you. I'll be ready in 15. Okay, if y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so I think that's everything that I have to say about the hair. Once again, this is a 22-inch body wave V-part 180 density wig from Alipearl hair. Now, everything will be linked in the description box down below, as far as the website to the hair, the direct link to this hair off of the Alipearl website, and my personal link to the hair, which will be linked on my Amazon storefront, so your girl can get a little extra coin too. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, leave them down below underneath this video, and I will get back to y'all. As you know, I do comment back on all of my videos. I'm not one of them who don't want to talk to people. I like talking to y'all, getting y'all feedback, so I would really appreciate it if you did leave a comment down below. Check out my Amazon storefront, where you can get some more little must-haves for around the house, for your fashion, for your beauty, for your skincare. If you into the holistic type lifestyle, definitely that too, because that's a new journey that I'm taking a part of this year. Well, I'm trying to be a part of this year. Thank you guys for watching this video, and until next time, bye.